The following is an excerpt from an askSlim.com member video. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Share it. We come out with tons of new videos every single week. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and follow us on Twitter at askSlim. And go to askSlim.com memberships and see 4 levels of membership for all styles of traders and investors, plus 2 amazing video workshops. Enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. The next one I'm going to show you is the dollar. So we just talked about the dollar weakening and breaking down. It's been trading in this right side of this diamond, essentially. You can see the megaphone here, the broadening pattern, and then the narrowing pattern. This is significant. You could see the support right over here, and we have this labeled cycle support low for this cycle, and a breakdown is negative. And here's the breakdown. Here's your VTL, and that VTL gives you a breakdown. You want to learn about VTLs? In our cycle analysis workshop, there are 20 video modules, and I talk about VTLs in there. So that break right in here says that the next rally will hit the resistance right in here and then move down sharply again. So what you can see in here, the timing based on these patterns, is that there's a little low do right over here, and we've got this. If I tighten this up right over here, you could see there's a hammer bottom that formed right in here. So it says that this cycle bottom came. High odds for that. This right over here is around 98.90. We kind of think we're going to get into there, an outside chance here for 99.23. And that says to me that this next, well, close to a few days, maybe a week, we could get this pop up into this area. Could stop at this area under 99 and then turn south again. And this period over here where it turns south is really important for the gold market, because if it does follow this pattern that we believe is happening, it will be very supportive to the price of gold and silver. So just the fact that this breakdown came right over here is a very strong message. Some of the evidence, well, momentum, you can see turning negative in here. And that momentum is saying that rallies will fail, and that we're going to continue to see the market churning its way to the downside with some potential for some very big declines. Now, if this China situation gets really ugly, the safety bid will come in and push it a little higher into this resistance area, but we don't think it really will be enough. And if anything, a calming of that situation will break the dollar even further. So we think the dollar, some of the evidence is that there is a lot of risk, and this decline in here that you could see us forming into a stair-step decline is likely to go out into late summer based on the intermediate pattern. So lots of risk out there, we think, for the dollar, very supportive to the metals markets.